Today I'm going to show you how to wire up Shelly 2PN with just one single leaf wire powered. You can see in this setup, this is the leaf wire into Shelly 2PN. Only leaf wire, and I attach two LED lights. Each one is 12 volts. Let's do the power up. And it is working. Okay, I use these two power supply module. The yellow one is parallel attached to one of the LED light, and the other one is attached to Shelly 2PN. It has a neutral wire. I'm not sure whether this one is a neutral wire because it is from neutral terminal. Only leaf wire is input to Shelly 2PN. And it's working stable as long as you are not going to parallel LED lights in this circuit over 100 volts. It is running perfect. And the other key point is the smart relay itself, or smart control panel itself, cannot be more than 15 volts. The maximum power supply is for a 15 volt smart relay. As long as you follow this instruction, I think this system is running normally. I haven't tested these two power supply module with a motor as a load, because a motor scenario is very limited.